Hello, my name is Mary Dansack. I'm the Middle School Science Specialist with AMSTI at Alabama State Department of Education. I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes about working with PowerPoint notes. The notes are an integral part of our slideshow presentations, and we want to make sure you understand how to get to them and see them. We've talked about looking at slideshows in this slide sorter view, where you can't see any notes, and in the normal view. Now, when you first open your slideshow, if it doesn't look like this, if it looks any other way that's odd to you, then check your View tab and be sure you are in Normal View. Again, that's your View tab, Normal View. Even in Normal View, you may not see any notes. It may open up like this. You may say, gosh, where are all those notes those presenters have and Mary keeps talking about? I don't see any notes. Well, I don't know if you saw what I did earlier, but if you move your cursor right here, you'll see it change from an arrow to that little double arrow. Click, and while you're holding the left part of your mouse down, drag it up and look at that. You will reveal the notes. Your slide gets smaller and smaller. If you just want a little bit of your notes to show because you like the big slide, you can use this bar over here to scroll through your notes. Okay? So the notes are great. You know, you can see them on your slideshow, but that may or may not help you much when you've got the slide projected on the wall. If you are interested in printing and having your notes show, I can show you how to do that. Again, you go to your, we usually live on home, so you go over to your File tab, click, Print, and you have a whole lot of options here to print. Now, if you've broken down your lessons into slides, broken down your slideshows into lessons, that's good because you probably don't want to print this whole thing at once. They're pretty long. So this will tell you can either print all the slides or just the number of slides you want. Full page slides, you probably don't want those. Look at your notes page. Right there. There's the notes page. Now, sometimes the notes look a little messy, and we apologize for that. That's just a formatting structure. Some don't have any notes at all. But in this way, you can definitely see your notes. Now, some people like this outline view. I'm not crazy about the outline view, but that just gives you the notes without a picture of the slide. You can play around with other views. A lot of times you'll see, when you go to a presentation, you'll see that kind of a thing. But that's not going to help you. If you want to see your notes, stick with your notes pages. And then you can just print from there, which I'm not going to do. So this helps you get to your valuable notes. One more thing you'll notice about your notes is, let's see if I can find an example. Sometimes you get to some italicized words. The italicized words are suggested questions to ask your students, or these are just actually scripted pieces. These are written to move students directly into the cross-cutting concepts and scientific and engineering practices. So the things that you need to do are in normal print, and the things that you can say are italicized. At the end of each section of the 5E learning cycle, you'll see Evaluate. These evaluate questions are, again, to help you with your formative assessment. And once again, these are the things that go back to the standards. So a lot of people are asking about assessment and they want more information on assessment. Well, a lot of times those evaluate questions that you'll see at the end of the E's give you that information. Now, you may not see them at every E in every case, but whenever you see the evaluate questions like that, you'll want to use those to guide your evaluation. So I hope that helps you in using your notes. Thanks for watching.